MPC beta testing around the world in 30 days.
You gotta go to, if you want to load more kits, you have to go to the browser button and load more kits.
See if that will give me an audition.
I think you have the audition function turned off.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, I think you do. So you can go to bank B if you want.
That's the only bank I know about. So, hey, man.
Yeah, so now you have a whole empty bank now, see?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, so if I do that, and if I do that, then I have that.
Yep.
Yep. Vocals in there too?
Yeah, you can do vocals.
Okay. Let's see how easy it is to figure out how to get around.
But it saves the sound, or you have to save it to a...
You save it to an SD card.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have an internal hard drive.
Oh, okay.
So we got track, we got browse, we got track mute, track sequence, tempo, do, undo, program edit, sample edit.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of dedicated buttons. That's what I like about it.
Yeah, I just want to see if it is it really user friendly. Yeah.
It's an
Record
MPC.
and play.
Completely
We've
new,
never
right?
had an MPC before, like, you know, does play really mean play? Or does play mean play, shift, and hold?
Nah, play, just press play.
You know? So if I hit play and overdub, what happens?
Overdub would just add to what it is you're doing.
Maintaining, man. Like for the last 3 weeks.
So there's only one demo on board?
No, there's a few. It comes with a lot of demos. When you first turn on the MP, it has a whole bunch of different genres, but you can load up different stuff. I can show you how to do that.
Now that you did that, it don't play it back what you actually play? Like that?
Yeah, it'll play it back.
So you can hear it, you know,
There you go right there.
Sequences sound pretty tight.
Of course, it's an MPC.
I mean nothing. I don't see.
Raise that over here.
I don't see Roger's Lynn. I don't see Roger's Lynn name on it.
Oh, man, damn.
Troy used to swear up Roger Lynn. He knew Roger Lynn personally.
Man, shit, most people think they know Roger Lynn personally.
He was checking the pads. Make sure I like him. Just a little.
So you can tune those claps as well?
Of course, you could do it. It's an MPC. Y'all keep asking me questions.
I never worked in PC, bro.
You got one though.
Yeah, but you got an MPC, but you ain't. My book bag right there, it fits right in there perfectly. That's just a standard book bag.
I guess what it is I'm trying to convey is that while Raymond is what we would call a traditional instrumentalist, he's also a die-hard MPC fan. So he thinks of the sound quality, he thinks of the ease of use, he thinks of the tightness, the intuitive workflow. This is what makes an MPC to Raymond. This is what's important to him.
So a different bank play the same sequence but add more sounds.
Just go to an unused track, yes. Now you just go to where it says program and you just turn it to another program. Man, you over here making some damn dance music. What the hell's wrong with y'all?
That's what we do for real, man.
Table for it's just music, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm gonna take the tracks off of anyway, because I don't like them. Big brother, little brother. Or should I say big sister, little sister?
You got the whole family here now, right?
I know, it's like, I feel like I'm in a toy shop. The musical toy shop. Because you can't just say any kind of toy shop, because people might take that kind of crazy.
You look like you're in a starship right now.
Courtney's a talented singer, songwriter, producer. She likes MPC because it's fast. She can get her ideas down without overthinking. And she likes how the drums bang on the MPC.
Guess you could turn it on.
This one right? Because people hate when you say the L. Touch sensitive.
Click here, then turn that jog wheel.
Click here. Turn this wheel.
Yeah, now you see where it says unused. Yeah, and then, you know, basically what you might want to do is just either dial in tempo or tap tempo. Like there's a button here.
I mean, Courtney's a beast. She sings, she raps, she produces, she songwrites, all while keeping her nails tight. Pretty good for your first time on the machine.
I'm shocked actually.
Alright, I'm just touching down in the Philippines. This would be a great time to try the Mpc One out with some sound design ideas and also record a session with one of my friends.
I love this MPC. I love the size of it. I love how easy it is to use.
Aura just started making beats not too long ago, but she comes up with some incredible melodies. So I wanted to get her on the Mpc One and see, what she comes up with. Y'all might be surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, we got hungry, so we decided to go up to the roof to the restaurant and also get some inspiration for this track we're working on. Yeah, she's a little shy. She's not used to being on the camera. We got a whole bunch of crazy looks. People trying to figure out what it is Aura was holding. But Aura, she got it in that night. She made a banger. Considering it's her first time on the Mpc, I think she did pretty good.
What up, man?
This is Jerome, Akai's longest standing beta tester.
Welcome.
If you're an Mpc user, trust me, you owe this guy a tremendous amount of gratitude.
You know what, man? These pads ain't bad at all. Nah, the pads is actually pretty good.
The way they feel.
Yeah. They feel just as good, if not better, than the Mpc pads now. The fact that they smaller doesn't even bother me.
No, bro. Like I said, I wouldn't even be mad if the future MPCs on the flagships are smaller, so they can fit more shit in there. One thing about this layout is it's gonna take a while for me to get used to what all the buttons are.
If you ever wanted or needed an Mpc feature, this guy's the reason why you got it. Trust me, he's an invaluable resource.
Where that sample from? Is that part of the sample pack that's in the MP?
Ja is a walking encyclopedia of Mpc history. I mean, this guy has owned every Mpc that's ever existed, and he can tell you every feature, every legacy feature, and what one Mpc has and what the other doesn't. In my opinion, he keeps Mpc, and if no one else is going to say it, thank you, Ja. You appreciate it.
my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and our children will replace it one day, one day, one day.
Alright, you ready? I'm about to record.
I figure I'd get a recording session and test out the Mpc One.
Ulid niya na dati ay mahal na mahal hanggang sa kailanman na sa'kin ay nagmamahal. Sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo, sa piling mo'y nagkatotoo. Isa at ngayon buhay ko ay nagbago. Ito'y dahil sa'yo. At nasabi kong di na iibig pa, ngunit di magawa nung nakita ka na. Di ko naisip na darating pa ang isang tulad mo sa aking pag-iisa. At ngayon buhay ko ay nagbago. Ito'y dahil sa iyo.
Alright, it's time to go home. I'm in Hong Kong airport and the coronavirus has Asia on panic. All the flights are canceled, the place is empty, and everyone has on a mask except me. You know, I guess I'll stroll around. I've never seen this airport this empty. No man should wear pants that tight. Now at this point, I'm just tired and getting a little aggravated. I figured this is a good time to pull out the Mpc One. Now this is where I encounter a major issue. No power. The adapter I bought is an American spec, so of course it won't work in a Hong Kong outlet. But I'm a professional and I came prepared. A portable AC battery pack. This thing will power my Mpc One X or Live if I needed to for a number of hours. The cons of the Mpc One is no battery, no internal hard drive, no flip screen, limited I/O. Dedicated buttons, CV gates, and low price are some of the benefits. I think this would be good for beginners and those who have limited space and have small hands. But this isn't a review, and y'all heard all of this before. Y'all know this. My flight is finally here. I can go home. Alright, I got a 15-hour flight, so I might as well get into some sound design and make some beats, you know, kill some time with the Mpc One. Man, just my luck, the power outlet doesn't work. So now I have to use my battery pack again. Scenarios like this is why Mpc Live would be better. These illuminated buttons really came in handy in this dark environment. I got a lot of good work in. I'm going to sleep. Good night.
Hi guys, by the way, my name is Jasper Gilbert and I'm Indigenous people. I'm a street singer in Manila City. I do singing to the walking street to find money and buy food to my family because my house is very far in the mountain. And this is first song, Indigenous song. Indo irikamako Manakuk kung puyo Papa irikamako Manakuk kung puyo Uyha Ika labay na iya Dakay pinatubo Ika kalabay Manhabiya imampaho. The meaning of the song is to find food with our family in Mount Pinatubo. Kung sana kayong mabigla at magula, kaya mo ba sumabay sa mga katagang binibigas ko? At kaya mo ba sumabay sa mga katagang binibitawan ko? Yeah, isasabay ko pangalan ko sa mga pangilan.